There are so many products on Amazon competing with you and against you. You want to stand out. Welcome back. In video number 3, we're going to talk about optimization and improvement so that you can actually be successful on Amazon. It's such a vast marketplace. You don't want to be lost. You want to stand out. There's the old rule, content is king, and nothing can be closer to the truth than on Amazon. You want to focus on your content. You want to make sure that your titles, your keywords, your bullet points, your descriptions, your images, they should all be great, clear content. We'll talk about what it takes to win that buy box. There are so many products on Amazon competing with you and against you. You want to stand out. So you need to look at your pricing, your Amazon reviews, your customer service processes so that you can win the buy box. We'll look at promotions through your Seller Central tool so that you can do things like markdowns, buy 3, get 1 free, special coupons through the promotion section on Seller Central. So what are the rules for content? Item titles. They need to have obvious things like brand, product type, size, pack size, any specific feature about that particular product. Amazon also gives you opportunity for putting extra keywords. Now these are not repeat keywords. These are keywords additional to what people might be searching for. So let's think you've got some earphones. Why not add in the additional keywords area things like earbuds, headphones, additional items that help search. Make sure that your images, particularly for the hero image, are crisp, more than 1,000 pixels on the longer side, and that 80% of the image space should be taken up by product, not white space. So the rule is 80-20. 80% product, 20% white space. Make sure that your categories are correct. I see this time and time again, a rush to get the item onto Amazon. Let's do any old category. Miscategorization is a no-no. Amazon will penalize you. They will rank you lower than you expected. So get your categorization right. Find that final subcategory that makes sense, and then lo and behold, your product specifics will be relevant to that particular category. I have seen auto parts categories categorized as electronics. I have seen linen products categorized as sporting products. It doesn't do you any benefit. Get your categorization right. Take the time to think about the Amazon category tree structure. How to win the buy box? Is it worthwhile, you ask? It definitely is worthwhile. I would estimate maybe 80% of Amazon's top selling items on the marketplace are purchased through the Amazon buy box. What does that mean? When you type in a keyword into Amazon search, up comes the listings that are available for those keywords. Most shoppers will buy the first listing on Amazon that they come across because that is the one that Amazon has selected as the buy box. What does it take to win the buy box? You need to have sharp pricing, great feedback, swift fulfillment and delivery times, and you need to have volume. If you've only got 1 or 2 in stock, Amazon probably won't give you that buy box opportunity. So if you want to be serious and make it on Amazon, you want to make it on the buy box. Furthermore, with the buy box, priority is given to those sellers that have great customer service. Now, if you've selected Amazon FBA, the Fulfilled by Amazon model, it's a given that the customer service will be great because it is carried out by Amazon themselves. So you get an immediate boost if you are with the FBA program, and you'll more likely make it onto the buy box. Those that are with the FBA program are the only ones eligible for Amazon Prime. So those listings that you might see on Amazon which have the Prime logo next to it, that really means they are with the Amazon Fulfilled by Amazon program. If you are serious about the buy box, you probably want to be subscribed to FBA, which means you will then be visible to those Amazon Prime subscribers. Again, in Australia, there is no Amazon Prime yet, and there is no FBA program yet, but we expect to see it early in 2018. I get asked a lot about pricing on marketplaces, and most often that question comes from a negative. Why would I bother? I've got to sharpen my margins to almost nothing. I might as well stay in bed. And to that I answer, you don't need to discount in order to make a sale. You need to have great content, descriptions, great feedback. It's seasonal, so maybe during the non-festive season you can sell your item at $20, and then lo and behold comes Christmas and you might sell it at $30, $40 and double your margins. But you don't have to discount till you're making nothing. That is bad business. To be within the Amazon buy box, you need to have competitive pricing. So research what your competitors are doing, or sign up to a repricing tool. M2E Pro has one built in, and that technology automatically detects what your competitors are doing, and you set various floor limits or maximum limits, and you'll be surprised. Sometimes the repricing tool actually raises and lifts your products because there is more demand and less stock available. It's not just about reducing prices. I have seen plenty of times that our prices lift through the repricing tools. In this digital age, your reviews and feedback are visible to the world. And on Amazon, you want your feedback to be 100%. So things like order defect rates, perfect order percentages, late dispatch rates should be optimized on Amazon so that you're not penalized and forced down the rankings. Order defect rates, returns, you need to deal with them. If you find a negative review, contact the buyer and try to sort it out with them, negotiate with them to have it removed. You want to have 100% feedback if you can. Now, nobody's perfect. There are things that go wrong with fulfillment, but negotiate to the best of your ability. And if you can't be 100%, then be 99.9%. But if you lag and you start to be 98 or 97 and let standards go, you might as well stay in bed. You want to keep your feedback and reviews top notch so that you have a chance of being in the buy box and a chance of making a sale on Amazon. To register to sell on Amazon, go to the Amazon homepage, scroll down to the bottom and click Sell on Amazon. Now you can go ahead and fill out the form to get started. This video has been brought to you by In Demand and M2E Pro.